Good morning, friends. Today is 6th of October and presently it is 10:48 a.m. So, friends, I am here to share my opinion regarding the Nifty and Bank Nifty movement. So, friends, this movement will be analyzed on the basis of Ichimoku indicator and the same will share with you for your knowledge. And at this stage, if you feel any difficulty in understanding the or interpretation of Ichimoku indicator, in that case, you just drop an email or write a message in the comment section so that I can respond to your query at the earliest. So friends, I am just taking you to the chart of Nifty first. Then we will talk about the Bank Nifty. So friends, this is the chart which I am just sharing of Nifty. See what is happening in Nifty when you applied the chart of Ichimoku indicator in the chart. What you are just saying, I am just open 1 hour time frame, and what we are seeing, first of all, what we are observing that this is the red cloud and span A is moving upward, and in an hour or two the same will be accepted or rejected by the span B. Means either from span B we can see the span B A is moving downward, or span A has given the positive crossover and the generation of green cloud is being observed at this stage when the crossover is seen. Means the probability of crossing over we will discuss for right now, whether this crossover will sustain or not, or there is a rejection. Prima facie, we will just see the position of Chicago span. Observe the position of Chicago span, my dear friends. First of all, the Chicago span is cutting the tension seam. So friends, this means that at this stage, in an hour or two, we can get a small bounce back. So friends, if we will see the bounce back, means Nifty can reach to the level of 19,728. Mark this level first of all. This is the first target, and just because if the rally starts from this candle, the first resistance will be seen at the cloud. At cloud, we will see or we will observe the first resistance. So, friends, this is the first target, and that target is 19,726. So, at this stage, when the index will reach this level, obviously this particular span B, span A, will be in the verge of crossing span B from below to upward, or it has crossed, or it may cross and generated the green cloud. So friends, the probability of generation of green cloud is quite high. This trend is changing right now, my dear friends. This is the first interpretation which we are just getting right now. So friends, this is was the analysis based on the Chicago span and the span A, where the Chicago span is just crossing the Tinkel scene, and the position of Chicago span when we are talking, it is just below the price, and it is approaching in the price. From here, the same can be rejected in normal circumstances. But here the crossing is seen. Increasing crossover, upward crossover is seen by the Chicago span, which gives the confirmation that the bounce back is due, and we can see the bounce back from 19,650 current level to 19,726. This is the first level where the Nifty can reach. So friends, this is the first analysis made for yourself. No, for this is the first part which we have just analyzed here. Secondly, after reaching this particular point, what will happen? We may get the confirmation or we may get the trend confirmation candle, because right now the tendency is crossing the Asian chain upward, see upward, crossing the Asian chain upward. When it is in the verge of crossing, my dear friend. So it has not crossed. So we have not yet got the trend confirmation candle. Suppose the trend confirmation candle is generated in an hour or two. See, 19 minutes is left for the second candle to start, where we can just see either the increasing crossover can be seen or may be overlap. If it is overlapped and horizontal, then the trend confirmation candle cannot be generated. We have to wait for another hour. So in an hour or two, we can get the trend confirmation candle. From there, if we will look back 26 periods back, what we are just observing that the close of that particular candle is 10:15. This is 10:15. This is 11:15 candle, and from here, if we will just see 26 period back, so friends, the close of this particular candle, what we are expecting, the close of this particular candle is this is the target, no? Target should be specified as yellow line or blue line. So trigger price, according to this, right now when we are analyzing, the trigger price is coming around the close of this particular candle, that is 19,710.55, means 19,700. 11, 10:55 means 10:55. Just so this is the target 19,726 and 19,710 is the first is the trigger line. Means as and when the stock is traded above this line, we will get the further continuation of trend that we have just find out. So entry level as well as entry level is this one. Quite natural. This is the entry level. The crossover is seen here. From here, if we will just see 26 then. So friends, the close of this particular candle is the entry level. Wait for another 15 minutes. The close will be the presently. If we will see the running candle, then 19,651 is the entry level. As and when the stock is traded above this particular level or 19,710. So these are the levels when as and when the index is traded above this particular level, we will get the bullish continuation trend. So friends, the positive crossover is expected from Pinkenstein and Pinkenstein as well as span A and span B because after getting the this is on the base of this particular trigger price we have got on the basis of Chicago span, where Chicago span is just cutting the Pinkenstein. On that basis, we are just getting the we have generated the trigger price for the index movement. Index moving in the positive direction right now. Overall trend is bearish right now. If we will instantly analyze what is the trend, trend is bearish, but the probability of reversal is quite high right now because Pinkerton crossover is being observed. Chicago span has already cut the Pinkerton, which will generate a bounce back in a coming hour. A bounce back is confirmed. Just wait, you will see the bounce back. Then Pinkerton crossover is also coming. So Pinkerton crossover from below to upward will also give the trend confirmation candle, which will also generate the another trigger price for the entry level. Means we are getting simultaneously one or two entry points trigger price for the Nifty today. So what should be the target right now? Entry price when confirmation coming from the Pinkerton cover, we will get this one also 19,710. We have analyzed on the basis of assume that we will see the Pinkerton crossover in this particular candle. So from this, when we are looking back 26 period, we are getting this particular candle, the close of this particular candle as a entry level for the index. So friends, now we will discuss about the target. What should be the target? When the crossover and when we will see the simultaneously two crossover, that is trend has been changed from span B as span B, or span A has cut the span B from below to above, and the formation of green cloud will lead the trend has will lead, and we can interpret that the trend has been reversed now, and the generation of green cloud is has begun. So we can just see the bounce back or a rally, a short-term rally in near future, near coming 1 or 2 days. So friends, now we will discuss about the target. What should be the target? First target, what I have told you, that Nifty can reach up to the level of 19,726 from this level. Then second target, what will be the second target? The second target will be 19,906.90, that is 19,000. This is the monthly target. This is very high. We will change the resolution right now. This is monthly. So friends, this is the weekly target, and 19,789, and the last target is 19,917. So target is fixed for the Nifty right now, my dear friends, and now we will discuss the stop loss. What should be the stop loss? First stop loss is see, this is bottom of Chicago span. Just see here. We will take this as a stop loss. So friends, every all the aspect has been covered. Means stop loss, entry level, one or two entry levels we are just identifying in the case of Nifty, that is 19,651.70, 19,652 first, or after 7 minutes when the close will be confirmed that the close of this particular candle will be treated as the level for a trigger price. So wait for the 7 minutes to get the confirmation. But on the whole, the within this range we can just enter into the Nifty when the Nifty trades above this level. Means Current level is 19,645 or 650. Between, if the Nifty trades above 640, 19,640 to 19,651, above these levels, then one could enter into the trade for the target of 19,726. This is the first target which we are just expecting. Thereafter, the Nifty can move further to the level of 19,900, sorry, 19,789, and after that, the another level is 200 points above, not 200 points, 11, 122, 25 points, 125 points above. That is, presently it is 19,970. This is the last target which we are expecting. So all the aspect of the Nifty movement has been discussed and shared with you, my dear friends. So friends, if you are facing any difficulty in analyzing the chart, you just drop an email. Again, I am repeating, you should drop the email, or you can just write the message in the comment section so that I can clarify the same at the earliest. So friends, now we are just moving to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty or Nifty Bank? What you are observing in the Nifty Bank, my dear friends? The position of Chicago span is below the cloud and below the price, and the distance between the Chicago span and price is high. So from here to here or here to here, there is no resistance seen at this stage. Secondly, Tinkerson-Kinjunsen crossover is in this particular session, it is not there unless and until the Bank Nifty traded above this, above cloud, this crossover cannot be seen. So at this stage, we can expect that there is no crossover. Secondly, yes, the gapping between the Tinkerson and Kinjunsen is quite high. So only selling pressure has been reduced at this stage here, and the confirmation is seen also as the span A is moving up in the upward direction. Tinkerson is also moving in the upward direction. This gives the confirmation that the buying has started, a short-term buying has been started, and the same can continue to the level of this one, 44,477. This is the first target. Thereafter, we can see the retracement. Here you can just see the retracement because the gapping between the span A and span B is quite high, and at this stage the Chicago span, whenever the Chicago span will approach the price to this level or this level, span B will also approach, span E will also approach to the level of span to cut span B. At this stage, when it is quite understood that at this stage, when Chicago span will move towards price. Span B, span A will move towards span B. Okay, friends. Now see what I am just want to convey you that whenever the Chicago span will be towards the price, it will be rejected. Means a Chicago span will move downward here whenever it will approach the price first time. So from here, it is we are having the probability of moving downward. Okay, friends. When Chicago span will move down, obviously the the formation of red candle will be seen and can take the and can retrace up to the level of 44,170. This is the level. So friends, in case of Bank Nifty, we can get the correction or retracement to the level of 44,176, and the level, what should be the level? So we are expecting the level in case of Bank Nifty is 44,486, and the second level what we are expecting is 44,788. This is the last. So friends, what I am trying to say that whenever the price will move this one to when the Chicago span will move towards the price, what we will see that when the price will approach towards the price, the index value will increase to the level of 44,486, and thereafter if the price, the Chicago span moves above the price, then the first retracement can be seen from the cloud, this level. So friends, 44,486 to 44,593. This is the resistance level for the Bank Nifty right now. See what drastic change has been observed in the case of Bank Nifty. Whatever the analysis which we have done right now is see what we are observing right now. The candle has closed to the level of 44,405. Chicago span is clear and is can touch Pinkerton and Kensington, cross Pinkerton and Kensington, where as explained earlier that whenever the crossing is being seen between Pinkerton and Kensington by the Chicago span from below to upward, minor bounce back can be observed. So bounce back is expected here also, but not the probability is quite weak because uh, once the Chicago span has to face resistance or the price will face resistance whenever the pickout span approaches towards the price. So we can get the retracement here. See, Shinkansen, Kinjunsen crossover is in the worst. MACD has given the positive confirmation. Span B, span A and span B are approaching to generate the green cloud. But whether the generation is possible or not, it is not quite clear right now. So in case of Bank Nifty, one should just get the confirmation as and when the single chain crossover is seen. Secondly, Chicago span cuts the single chain or Kinju chain, or from here, if the resistance is seen, if the resistance is given by the price, then Chicago span will move down to the level of 44,141, where the Bank Nifty can get support. So the probability of downward side in case of Bank Nifty is quite high right now. But wait for the confirmation first. Confirmation means single chain crossover, single chain, single chain crossover from below to upward must be identified or must be executed. The crossover should be observed. At this stage, we will get the trend confirmation candle, and from there we will look 26 period back. We can get the figure price for the Bank Nifty. So, friends, you should wait for the positive crossover in case of Bank Nifty. But the possibility of rejection is going downward is quite high in case of Bank Nifty. So, friends, all the points have been covered right now. No, the target has not been covered. See, the single Chicago span bottom is seen here, observed at around 44,207, whereas the support level is at around 44,167, 170. So 44,170 should be below 170, or 44,150 should be the stop loss level in case of Bank Nifty. 150 you can say, just put 150 in case of Bank Nifty. 20 points is meaningless. So friends, all the aspect has been covered, means targets, stop loss, and the expected movement. The probability of downward movement is quite high in case of Bank Nifty, whereas Nifty is showing some strength to move further, move upward. So friends, I'm requesting you to kindly subscribe the channel and circulate this video in your group so that multiple people can be benefited and can understand the trading circumstances and scenarios and help themselves to gain the trading knowledge to overcome the regular or losses made on the presumption. Whenever you withdraw the presumption, you will face losses, and that can be avoided on the clear interpretation of Ichimoku trading system. So friends, this particular indicator provides you the detailed analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, thereby if you are in a position to analyze or interpret the indicator and its components, the probability of winning the stock market is quite high, friends. So, friends, and again, I will repeat that go through the indicator, analyze the components of this indicator, and after getting some acquaintance or when you are familiar with this indicator, you should do the paper trade and thereafter you enter into the market. So friends, I request you further to like our video and give us some encouragement to provide you much more knowledge about the stock market conceptual trading. So friends, thank you very much for now. I will be again here at your service to provide you the concept of stock market if we get the further stocks for the analysis in a current trading session. So friends, thank you very much.